Here are 10 interesting facts about sneezing. 1. Sneezes can reach 100 miles per hour. 2. You can't sneeze in your sleep. 3. Bright light makes some people sneeze. 4th, holding in a sneeze can be harmful. 5. Bless you started during the plague. 6. Sneezing uses muscles, burning tiny calories. 7. Cold air can irritate and cause sneezing. 8. Spicy food may trigger sneezes while eating. 9. Sneezing doesn't expel your soul, just a myth. 10. Sneezing styles vary by person. For more such interesting videos, please like the video and don't forget to follow and subscribe to Life Unfiltered.